Alright guys, I'm here to show you the Smith & Wesson. I got her all dirty already. m&p22. This is a training pistol. She is so sweet. It's so much lighter. Here's a Taurus. Take the mag out. Oh no! Looky here, Mr. Taurus. Brand new out of the box. And that sight fell out. The screw for the sight is missing. It fell out. Oh, buddy. Brand new. Boom. And I've probably shot 6 mags through it. That's not good. I'll have to look for that in a minute. But right now, we're going to go over the higher end gun. The Smith & Wesson. I want to show you how much. Look at this. Oh, that's so much nicer. So much nicer. Can't believe that Taurus, bro. I just bought that damn thing. I bet that little bolt's down there somewhere. Screw. I'll take that back to the gun store and be like, hey. See if we can get a hold of it. If I can't find that, see if we can't get a hold of Taurus, but like, why wasn't that tightened down? I've heard of scopes coming loose, but iron sights, man, I was liking that little gun too. I'm not going to shoot it anymore because of that. Not today. Not until I get that fixed. I'm not going to take a chance of losing the iron sights. I wonder if you couldn't put an optic on there. Yeah, well, let's just stick to the thing at hand, shall we? We're at the same lane as we were with the Taurus. Ooh, that wind's blowing now. Let's give her a try. Oh, that's sweet. Let's go rapid fire number 4. Yeah, buddy. It's so much easier to load. You just thunk, thunk. It's easier than my Browning butt marks to load. It's just a sweet, sweet little training pistol. It's a fair size of actual gun. I mean, the caliber is still just a 22, but here's my Glock 34 competition pistol, Smith & Wesson m&p22. Obviously it's shorter, but the M&Ps are shorter. Let's compare that to the Glock. Taurus in the middle, Smith & Wesson on the side. I mean, the size is different. This is a little bit longer than the Taurus. But obviously this is longer, but this is a 9mm 22s. That just shows you the size difference on them. And I'm still reeling over that sight coming loose, man. Here I was saying Taurus is actually doing something good. Bang! Right out of the box. I'm sure I've got like a 1 in 10,000 have done that. I'm sure I've got like 1 in 10,000. Or more. I'm not for sure on that. I might have to look up, see if anybody's had that problem. But let's worry about the one we know is good. The one we know is sweet. The one we know is awesome. m&p22 pistol. Let's try this. See how we do here. That is just a sweet, sweet shooting little piece.